Okay, I'm going to be decorating this nice little sea turtle keepsake. Now this is for a very special friend of mine, so I'm going to be taking a lot of time to get it just right. You going to cheer me on? Come on, let's start. All right, everyone, I want to talk about this oxide wash that I use. Now, what I love about it is that it gets me to a depth of color very quickly. So I don't have to put on coats and coats of darker colors to get that nice depth and sort of have my things in the foreground to pop right off. So I think that really helps. And I put the recipe in the description below. Try it. Okay, let's talk about how I underglaze. I always start with a lighter color, of course, and say the background is the blue. And then I'll go in with a wash. So I water down that darker blue, and I go in with the wash, say on the bottom edges or on the edges, the sides, and that gets it darker in shades, in steps. And then maybe I'll go in with a green and make it a blue green. So using washes gives you control over how fast you get there and the color shade. It slows down the process. So as I'm painting in shades of those blues, it's getting there a little slower. And in pottery, it's nice to slow down sometimes because we put those things on the wheel and they're spinning at speed. And in decorating, you can take your time and make it just right. So try it. I want to point out something a little important. When you're doing underglazes, start with the lighter color first and layer on the darker colors in washes. It's easy to take a light color and turn it darker or change the shade, but it's really hard to back that up and make a dark color lighter. It doesn't really work that way. So don't forget that. It's really important.